Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to install OpenClaw on your computer the correct and safe way. OpenClaw is an open-source recreation of the classic platform game Captain Claw, and it requires the original game data files to run properly. So before starting, make sure you legally own a copy of the original Captain Claw game. First, open your browser and search for OpenClaw on GitHub. Go to the official OpenClaw repository page. On that page, click on the Releases section and download the latest stable version for your operating system, whether it is Windows or Linux. Save the file to your computer. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file to a new folder using WinRAR or the built-in Extract option. After extracting, open the folder and locate the main OpenClaw executable file. Do not run it yet. Next, you need the original Captain Claw game data files. Locate your original game installation folder. Copy the required resource files, usually the data folder or specific game files mentioned in the OpenClaw documentation, and paste them into the same folder where the OpenClaw executable file is located. Now double-click the OpenClaw application file to launch the game. If everything was copied correctly, the game should start without errors. If you receive missing file messages, double-check that all required original files are placed in the correct directory. Once it launches successfully, you can adjust graphics and controls inside the Settings menu and start playing. That's it. OpenClaw is now properly installed and ready to enjoy on your computer. Subscribe the channel for more videos.